6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred.
Welcome to the Monroe G Plus factory. Yes, you are now in Poland. This state-of-the-art factory is 10,500 square meters. But don't worry, no need to walk today. Just let me take you through some steps of the production. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. What you now see is the very first step of the production. Here is the tube center, where long-length pressure and reserve tubes are cut to the dimensions specified for each model of shock absorbers. In this zone, we cut the pressure tubes, which are then chamfered to not damage the main components during the assembly. Did you know that this factory produces over 3.6 million shocks per year? Can you imagine that? Okay, let's move on. The reserve cut tubes go to further processing, such as chamfering, swaging, or extension, depending on the design of shock absorbers. On the base assembly line, we weld the mounting parts. We then make the very important destructive and microstructure tests to verify the connection between the parts. In this factory, we produce front and rear shock absorbers, cabin shocks, and the brand new and very innovative OE Spectrum shocks, which are a true revolution in shock absorbers. We are all very proud to produce them here. But let's continue the visit. What you see here are robots that weld the most complicated designs. This is the rod assembly line. Here we make the resistance welding of rods, dirt shield caps, and loops, which are parts of rear shock absorbers. Are you still with me? Good, let's continue. Here we compose the compression valve, which is responsible for the damping forces. On the final assembly line, we mount the individual parts made in previous processes and close the shock absorbers. Here we measure the damping force of each part at different speeds. Here we weld the dirt shield of rods and assemble the bushing. This line is dedicated only to final assembly of rear shock absorbers. The shock absorbers are now ready to be painted and annealed to protect them against rust. After painting, the finished goods are packed in protective cartons to be shipped to our customers around the world. And here we are. You did it. Congratulations. You can now say you saw the G Plus factory up close. But hey, we'd love to have you come visit us for real sometime soon.
Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.